I came to detail, came to acquire more knowledge and skills in my craft. I hope to have my own business. I will have my own business, and I really enjoy cleaning cars, and that's basically what I'm here for.
It's time that I feel like I need to start working for myself. After 25 years of being in the Postal Service, it's time that I pay homage to myself.
I decided to do this seminar because for a while I've been thinking outside of the box, trying to start my own business. Wanted to figure out a way to become my own boss, ideally. I've done some detailing in high school through university, helped me get through university, and I figure why continue to work for somebody else when I can just work for myself. So I thought, kind of did some research and found this program and thought this is the opportunity to get me to the next step.
I came here I decided a long time ago because I see in web. I tried to organize my business because I'm grow too fast. That's a kind of mess it up. But I come here because I heard a lot of good things about you guys. I just come here to try to organize.
Well, my husband, he's opened a detailing business a couple years ago, and I was learning to help him, growing, organizing, and doing better detail.
Well, there's a lot of folks that are cleaning cars in Central Ohio, and the reputation of Detail King has really been something in my research that stood out to me, and I wanted to make sure that if I'm going to be out there competing against folks, I want to be certified and have the kind of training that's going to set me apart.
Detail King is a famous training institute in the United States.
We're trying to take the career path of having a different revenue, doing detailing and extra service, with lots of accounts, dealerships, different things. We control most of it in Fort Wayne.
I want to gain knowledge in the detailing industry.
Because I'm trying out to open my own business, so I want to get some information, and the most information that I can to get for my business.
I worked with detail for a little while, and I came over here to know more, to learning, and I'm very happy.
Today's was a great lesson. I learned a lot of an aspect of how to advertise my business to get it expanded, and I've acquired a lot of knowledge already.
It's second to none. I mean, I'm glad I came. Glad you guys are actually offering it after being a member, actually a client of you all since 2008. I wanted to come back and actually see what it can do for me.
So what do you think so far of the classroom portion today?
I think it's amazing. I think it's a really good start to the training. Understanding the business aspect of it is really important because again it gets you from just doing the technical piece to elevating yourself to understanding how to create a business for yourself. And so I appreciate the knowledge and the breakdown of kind of the steps as to what I need to do to accomplish my goal.
I started learning a lot of things, and I've imagined before how doing right things,
I love it, everything. I want to learn more about management and everything. I love everything.
It really focuses a lot on marketing techniques, and that's one of the big challenges when putting together the business plan is just knowing how to reach the customers, and it's really provided a lot of great insight and resources for that.
This seminar was amazing. I appreciate Nick, Paul, and staff did for us. By the way, I am very happy to sharing I have got a trademark license, and the Saigon Detailing Bonds were in a partnership of Detail King in Vietnam.
Pretty good. Good information and advertising and different things of that sort. Different avenues on how to get leads.
So far, it's good. I like it.
Well, I think it was a great class. I didn't thought that I was gonna get all the information that I'm getting today, so everything is very detailed about it.
Wow, wonderful. I learned a lot about business, how to drive business, how to put the numbers together, how grow up, how find customers, so great.
I think it was excellent. I had two aspects of the program. The business side, which shows you marketing and advertising, which is very great. It taught me a lot. I learned a lot there. And also the hands-on side, which is very well, and I enjoyed the program, and it was very informative.
It was the best training I've had, especially as far as detailing. Money well spent.
I thought it was a really good experience. It goes above and beyond my expectations. It was nice to see the whole procedure from start to finish, including the business aspect of it. I think that Nick, Paul, and their staff is quite knowledgeable, and they're open to answering any questions. I really appreciated not just the new skills, but also the building in confidence to be able to give me the skills that I need to provide better services and more quality services while I use all the right tools and all the right equipment.
Yes, I just come over here, like I really like the program. I'm thinking like because I already have my business, I think I know a lot of things, but I see it today, like I'm learning more than know. That's what I say to a lot of people now by today. If you want to be the best, you need to learn with the best ones.
I love it. I learn it, I can practice, and I love it.
It was great. I mean, there's a lot of hands-on training, and gives you a chance to understand the tools that you use and all the different products. I mean, Detail King has a lot of different products that can be overwhelming, but you know, they've got the right product for anything that you'd encounter. So this is my first time doing any kind of detailing, and I've never cleaned a car the way I have today.
Oh, this training really was wonderful. We deeply know, understanding what to make a good paint on a car and how to do the recondition overall. And finally, we know how to do a great customer service. Thank you, the training staff.
It's pretty good. A lot of information. It's really hands-on. I like that. But then also we were all doing it at the same time. So then it wasn't more like the pressure's on, everyone's watching you. You get to get a feel for what you're doing.
So far it's great. I love everything about it.
Well, I think it's very good training. I've been doing this for a little bit, but the knowledge that I got today, I think is pretty good. That I found and I'm learning new ways how to wash a car, and everything is pretty good.
Like I said, I worked with Detail for a little time, like 7 years, but I learned a lot today. You still learn new products, new ways to do it. So, like I said, great.
Yes, sir, I would recommend it. Definitely, no doubt.
Definitely. I'm gonna have to pay for my son and my nephew to come up in the next couple weeks, well, months, or whenever the next training is.
100%, yeah. I think that if you're serious about either making this a hobby for yourself or making some extra cash on the side or a full-time business, I think that this is definitely the right route to go. It's an investment for yourself.
Well, of course. I want to have like a lot of employees. I want to send one by one. Probably get a lot of guys be here. Yeah, I can like reference for everybody.
Yes, 100%.
Absolutely.
I think I introduced the Detail King for my friend or my family or my customer in Vietnam. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, definitely, I will.
I really recommend a lot of this program. This is the place if you're ready to start a business, I think this is the best place to come and enjoy it, because everything what you learn here, I don't think you will learn somewhere else.
Everybody wants to learn something, wants more knowledge. This is the place.